Good morning, students, and welcome back to state level lecture of Science 2. And I am Shilpa Chatravan here with the topic. Today we are going to take revision of multiple choice questions. So let's start. So, so today we are going to take about the multiple choice questions based on textbook, which carries 1 mark each. And you have to remember that in question number first A, 5 sub questions of multiple choice bearing 1 mark each will be asked, and these sub questions are based on textual matter. So your reading of textbook must be very keen one. While answering these questions, you are expected to write only the alphabet of correct choice. Means you have to only write the alphabet A, B, C or D. The alphabet that you write in the initial attempt will be considered for marking. So don't uh, rewrite or overwrite. Just write the correct answer and think about it first. Thus, be sure when you enter the answer. So, which type of questions can be asked from chapter 1, heredity and evolution? We will see now. Now, the multiple choice questions may be the process by which the gene in the nucleotide suddenly changes its position is called. So there are 4 options: translation, translocation, mutation, and transcription. So the correct option here is mutation. So the second one, that is the proof for the fact that protein synthesis occurs through dash, was given by George Biddle and Edward Tatum. So the 4 options are genes, cells, tissues, amino acids. So the correct option here is genes. And next one, transfer of information from molecule of DNA to mRNA is called dash process. Options are translocation, translation, transcription, and mutation. And the correct option is transcription. So next one, evolution means dash. And the previous one, the transfer of information, that was asked in March 2020, last year. Okay, this may be IMP question. So be prepared and do the preparations and remember this question. So next one, evolution. Evolution means dash. Options are gradual development, exchanges, transcription, differentiation. So the correct option is gradual development. So the next one, dash is not the vestigial organ in the human body. Options are appendix, coccyx, canine, wisdom teeth. And the correct option here is canine. Next one, similarities in initial stages indicate the dash evidences of evolution. Options are connecting links, morphological, embryological, paleontological. And the correct option here is embryological. Next question. The causality behind sudden changes was understood due to dash principle of Hugo de Vries. Options are transcription, translocation, translation, and mutation. And the correct option here is mutation. Next one. The dash man evolved about 50,000 years ago. Options are Cro-Magnon, Neanderthal, Java man, and Ramapithecus. And the correct option here is Cro-Magnon. Next question. About 10,000 years ago, Dash started to practice agriculture. Options are gorilla, wise men, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus. And the correct option here is wise man. So here you have to only write the alphabet A, B, or C, or D. So here only the alphabets are important, but you have to thoroughly read the lesson first. Then only you can give the answers of this question. So next one, Dash can be considered as the first example of wise man. Australopithecus, Ramapithecus, Cro-Magnon, Neanderthal man. And the correct option here is Neanderthal man. Dash is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Options are duck-billed platypus, peripatus, lungfish, whale. And the correct option is peripatus. So this most likely multiple choice questions can be asked from the lesson heredity and evolution. If you do all these 11 questions, you may not miss the 1 mark which you can get by doing this lesson. So let's move on to the next lesson. Now chapter 2, life processes in living organisms, part 1. So which questions can most likely be asked? Let's see. The process of glycolysis occurs in dash. Options are cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus, cell membrane. The correct option is cytoplasm. Next question. After complete oxidation of a glucose molecule, dash number of ATP molecules are formed. Options are 14, 28, 29, and 38. So correct option is 38. So next question. At the end of glycolysis, dash molecules are obtained. Options are malate, fumarate, acetate, pyruvate. And the correct option is pyruvate. Next question. ATP is called dash of the cell. Options are energy currency, combustion fuel, storage of glucose, protein depot. And the correct option is energy currency. Next question. NAD and FAD are dash that help in cellular respiration. The options are enzymes, hormones, coenzymes, organic acids. And the correct option is coenzymes. Now next question. All chromosomes are arranged parallel to equatorial plane of cell in dash phase of mitosis. Options are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Don't get confused, because if you know the stages of mitosis and meiosis, and if you have studied them thoroughly, you can just write the correct option here. And the correct option is metaphase. So next one. For formation of plasma membrane, dash molecules are necessary. Options are fatty acids, phospholipids, proteins, carbohydrates. And the correct option is phospholipid. Next one. Our muscle cells perform dash type of respiration during exercise. Options are aerobic, anaerobic, cellular, all the above. So the correct option here is anaerobic. Next one. Excess of carbohydrates are stored in liver and muscles in the form of dash: sugar, glucose, glycogen, protein. The correct option is glycogen. Next one. Chemically, vitamin B2 is dash. Options are riboflavin, nicotinamide, cyanobalamine, pentothenic acid. And the correct option is riboflavin. Next one. Somatic and stem cells undergo dash division. Options are meiosis, mitosis, budding, cloning. And answer is mitosis. This question was asked in March 2019, means 2019. So it is IMP question. You must tick mark here, and you must study and learn the questions. Okay, next one. That is also important. IMP one. The spindle fibers start appearing from dash stage of karyokinesis. This question was asked in 2020, March 2020. So options are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And the correct option is metaphase. Now, just now we will move to the next lesson, chapter 3, life processes in living organisms, part 2. So the question is, in humans, sperm production occurs in the organ dash. Options are prostate gland, testes, ovaries, Cowper's gland. And the correct option is testes. Now, in humans, dash chromosome is responsible for maleness. Options are X, Y, Z, and O. And okay, we were uh, at chapter 3, life processes in living organisms, part 2. Now, in humans, sperm production occurs in the organ dash. Options are prostate gland, testes, ovaries, and Cowper's gland. And the correct option is testes. Now, next one. In humans, dash chromosome is responsible for maleness. Options are X, Y, Z, and O. And the correct option here is Y. The Y chromosome is responsible for maleness. Third one. Implantation of embryo occurs in dash. Options are ovaries, fallopian duct, uterus, vagina. And the correct option is uterus. Now next one. Body breaks up into several fragments and each fragment begins to live as a new individual. This is dash type of reproduction, and this question was asked in March 2020. So the options are budding, fragmentation, regeneration, binary fission. And here the correct answer is fragmentation. Now next one. In order to fertilize ovum in oviduct, the sperm has to travel through the following path. So options are oviduct, vagina, uterus, uterus, vagina, oviduct, vagina, uterus, oviduct, oviduct, uterus, vagina. They have confused and given the options same options, but their places are changed. But if you have read the chapter correctly and if you have understood the concept, you can uh, get the correct option. That is C, vagina, uterus, and oviduct. So next one, Pranav and Preeti are twins in your class. They belong to dash twins type. Options are monozygotic, dizygotic, semis, none of the above. And the correct option is dizygotic. Next one. Yeast cell performs asexual reproduction by dash. Options are fragmentation, budding, binary fission, regeneration. And the correct option here is budding. Next question. Carrot and radish undergoes dash with the help of their roots. Options are vegetative propagation, fragmentation, budding, regeneration. And the correct option is vegetative propagation. Now next one. Androecium and gynoecium are dash whorl of the flower. So options are accessory, essential, external, internal. And they are essential whorls. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. They are essential whorls of the flower. So the correct option is essential. Now, flowers without stalk are called dash flowers. Options are stalkless, sessile, incomplete, complete. Without stalk, you can think that stalkless is the correct answer. But in scientific language, it is called as sessile. So the correct option is sessile. That the meaning is same, stalkless. But in science, sessile word is used. Now, next one, dash on the inner surface of fallopian ducts or oviducts push the egg towards uterus. The options are cilia, tentacles, flagella, fibers. And the correct option is cilia. Next question. Pregnant mother supplies nourishment to her fetus through dash. Uh, Options are breast, uterus, placenta, ovaries. And the correct option is placenta. So here we have completed 3 lessons with their IMP multiple choice questions. If you read these questions and if you learn them, I think you can get out of marks in multiple choice questions. If you learn all the 10 lessons of science 2, you can uh, get full marks. Okay, now let's move to chapter 4, that is environmental management. So paddy fields are frequently attacked by dash, goats, birds, grasshoppers, monkeys. Here the correct option is grasshopper. Next one. Basic functional unit to study the ecology is termed as dash, environment, niche, ecosystem, food chain. Correct option is ecosystem. Next question. The jungle in Kokilamuk of Jorhat district of Assam is well known as. Options are Mulai jungle, rhino forest, Pang jungle. So the correct option is Mulai jungle. So next, maintaining record of dash knowledge is very necessary. Options are modern, mythical, Vedic, traditional. And correct option is traditional. Next one. Dash sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. Options are Gir, Sundarban, Mulai, Corbett. and the correct option is Sundarban. Next, World Biodiversity Day is celebrated on dash every year. So you have to know the dates of the days which are celebrated as Biodiversity Day, and that day is 22nd May. Here four options are given, but you have to learn this. Uh, so now let's see next one. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are dash. Options are extinct, endangered, endemic, and rare. So the correct option is endemic. Next, giant squirrel is an dash species. Options are indeterminate, rare, endemic, endangered. And the correct option is indeterminate. Next one. In a food chain, autotrophic plants are present at the dash level. Their options are tertiary nutrition, tertiary nutrition, secondary nutrition, producer, and apex. And the correct option is producer. Now let's move to next lesson, chapter 5, towards green energy. So there are only important five most likely multiple choice questions which are easy to learn and understand. Okay, so now let's see. Large dash are used in commercial power generation plants. Options are machines, generators, turbines, panels, and correct option is generator. Next one. The principle of electromagnetic dash was invented by Michael Faraday. So options are induction, attraction, repulsion, and expulsion. And the correct option is induction. Next, dash is used to rotate the magnet in the generator, fan, generator, turbine, panels. The correct option is turbine. Next, in thermal power plants, the dash energy in the coal is converted into electrical energy through several steps. So options are physical, biological, kinetic, and chemical. Correct option is chemical. Solar cells are made of a special type of material called semiconductor, such as dash, silicon, uranium, borosilicate, hydrogen. Correct option is silicon. Now, chapter 6, animal classification. Now, animals attached to substratum are called dash animals. First one is sessile, sedentary, lame, motionless. And the correct option is sedentary. Now, next one. In coelenterate, dash are useful for capturing the prey, whereas dash inject the toxin in the body of prey. Options are tentacles, nidoblast, hands, legs, flagella, sting, cilia, sting cells. And the correct option here is tentacles, nidoblast. Next question. Body of annelidine animals is long, cylindrical, and dash segmented. Options are annular, metamerically, jointed, cuticular. The correct option is metamerically. Next one. Dash is second largest phylum in animal kingdom. Options are Mollusca, Arthropoda, Porifera, Platyhelminthes. Option that is correct option is Mollusca. Now, next, endoskeleton of Cyclostomata animals is dash. Bony and cartilaginous, none of the above. And the correct option is cartilaginous. Now next, visceral mass in molluscans is covered by dash, mantle, chitin, skin, carapace. And the correct option is mantle. Now next one. Dash is a cold-blooded animal. And this question was asked in March 2019. So options are bat, snake, rabbit and elephant. And the correct option is snake. Next one. Calcareous spines are present on the body of dash animal. And this question was asked in July 2019. Options are fish, snail, sponge, starfish. And the correct option is starfish. So let's move to the next lesson, that is introduction to microbiology. Now, enzyme dash obtained from fungi is used to produce vegetarian cheese. Options are lipase, protease, amylase, trypsin. And the correct option is protease. Next, milk is subjected to dash at the beginning to destroy unwanted microbes. Options are pasteurization, fermentation, coagulation, decomposition. And the correct option is pasteurization. Next, dash-like compounds are formed due to lactobacillus that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Options are lactose, casein, acetaldehyde, all the above. And the correct option is acetaldehyde. Next, methane can be obtained by dash decomposition of urban, agricultural and industrial waste. The options are aerobic, anaerobic, microbial, anaerobic and chemical. And the correct option is microbial and aerobic. Next, dash gas is considered to be the fuel of future. Options are hydrogen, nitrogen, methane and butane. Correct option is hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is considered to be the fuel of future. Now, dash are mixed with waste materials at landfilling sites for quicker decomposition. Options are microbes, bioreactors, fungi, worms. Correct option is bioreactors. Now, dash acid is a source of energy for some species of bacteria like Acidophyllum species and Acidobacillus peroxidin. Options are nitric, sulfuric, hydrochloric, acetic. Correct option is sulfuric. Next, microbes are used for dash of environment polluted due to sewage. Options are protection, conservation, biomeditation, decomposition. And the correct option is biomeditation. Next, dash is a powerful antibiotic against tuberculosis. Options are streptomycin, tetracycline, rifamycin, bacitracin. And the correct option is rifamycin. Bacteria are used to clear the oil spills are called dash bacteria. Options are phenol oxidizing, electrolytic, hydrocarbonoclastic, decomposing. Here some printing mistake is there. The hydro is given, but it is hydro. Okay, so the correct option is hydrocarbonoclastic. Next, dash convert these salts of uranium into insoluble salts. Options are Saccharomyces, Thiobacillus, Acidobacillus, and Geobacter. The correct option is Geobacter. Now, dash, a byproduct of fermentation, is a biopesticide. Options are fluoroacetamide, vanillin, aspartame, spinosad. And the correct option is spinosad. Now next, salts which can be used as supplement of calcium and iron are obtained from dash acid. Options are carbonic acid, acetic acid, citric acid, gluconic acid. And the correct option is gluconic acid. Now let's move to the next lesson, chapter 8, cell biology and biotechnology. Now, methods like artificial insemination and embryo transplantation are mainly used for dash animal husbandry, wildlife, pet animals for infertile women. Correct option is animal husbandry. Dash is the revolutionary event in biotechnology after cloning. Options are Human Genome Project, DNA discovery, stem cell research, all the above. The correct option is stem cell research. Now, third one. The disease related with the synthesis of insulin is dash cancer, arthritis, cardiac problems, diabetes. And the correct option is diabetes. Next, Government of India has encouraged the dash for improving the productivity by launching NKM 16. The options are aquaculture, poultry, fishery, apiculture. And the correct option is aquaculture. Next, in American Green Revolution, contribution of dash is very valuable. Options are Dr. Norman Borlaug, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Dr. Verghese Kurian, Dr. Hargovind Khurana. And the correct option is Dr. Norman Borlaug. Next, cell dash starts from 14th day of conception. Four options are development, specialization, growth, differentiation. Correct option is differentiation. Next, availability of dash is an important requirement in organ transplantation. Options are doctor, clinic, donor, ambulance. The correct option is donor. Next, the toxin which is lethal for dash was produced in leaves and pods of BT cotton. Options are bollworm, locust, birds, and frogs. And the correct option is bollworm. Next, transgenic raw potatoes generate the immunity against dash disease. Options are plague, cholera, leprosy, TB. Correct option is cholera. Now next lesson, chapter 9, social health. Laughter club. Laughter club is a remedy to drive away dash. Options are stress, addictions, lethargy, epidemic. Correct option is stress. Next, alcohol consumption mainly affects dash system, digestive, respiratory, nervous, excretory. The correct option is nervous. Next, addictive person cannot think dash globally, rationally, locally, personally. The correct option is rationally. Our dash has been changed to some extent in the age of technology. Options are lifestyle, habit, circumstance, passion. And correct option is lifestyle. Next, dash influence is stronger in case of adolescents. Options are teachers, fathers, relatives, peer group. Correct option is peer group. Next, tobacco containing substances has dash effect on mouth and lungs. Options are acidic, alkaline, carcinogenic, neutral. And the correct option is carcinogenic. Dash helps to improve concentration, in the studies. Options are eatables, meditation, hobbies, sports. Correct option is meditation. Next, hobbies like rearing pet animal helps to create a dash positive mindset, negative attitude, wealth, concentration. Correct option is positive mindset. Now, the last lesson, that is chapter 10, disaster management. Now, which type of questions can be asked? For multiple choice questions, let's see. Disasters definitely affect the dash of the nation. Options are people, economy, security, employment. The correct option is economy. If local dash is not strong enough, citizens become confused. Options are leadership, women, politicians, cattle. The correct option is leadership. Dash problems arise during the disaster. Options are local, global, administrative, and private. Correct option is administrative. Next, sinking pollution caused due to decomposing corpse of humans and other animals is dash disaster. Options are environmental, health, necessary, effective. Correct option is environmental. Next, after the subsidence of any type of disaster, rehabilitation work is started in dash phase. Options are latter, transitional, terminal, ultimate. And the correct option is transitional. Next, dash phase is highly complicated phase. Reconstruction, recycling, reuse, redevelopment. And correct option is reconstruction. There has been a huge dash in the village Malin, Taluka Ambegao in 2014. Options are earthquake, storm, landslide, change. So the correct option is landslide. There was a huge landslide in the village Madi. Now we have seen in newspapers also that time it's shown that how the landslide happened. Next, at the district level, Dash is responsible for disaster management and implementation of rehabilitation schemes. Options are corporator, district collector, gram sevak, home minister. And the correct option is district collector.